So this is the final outcome of our rice with peas and coconut milk, baked chicken. Voila, voila. Man, it's always good to learn something new. Man, I think I will adopt this kind of cooking style as well. So this is our rice with baked peas with coconut and baked chicken with sauce. But I would say this is WAAKYE in Jamaica. Trust me, man. This is WAAKYE la. Come on, man. This is WAAKYE. This is really like wow. Hello, my brethren, my sister, and everything. This is no boy. I cook with Sindaco, and I'm holding in down the Jam Rock, Kingston, Rollington. So in the yard, I have this pretty lady, Tamara, and she's going to take me through pan how to prepare rice and beans. We have a set of pickle in Ghana, West Africa. I will call it WAAKYE. Wow. So ganja tea over here. Hey, brother. After drinking the herb tea, you know, we're about to turn out total. Anyway, so I'm in Jamaica and I'm about to prepare rice and beans. And rice and beans is basically like the WAAKYE we have in Ghana. But the only difference is that over here in Jamaica, they don't add the leaves to it, but they use rice beans and they infuse with coconut milk or liquid to make this aromatic rice and beans in Jamaica. Man, the taste and everything tastes like WAAKYE. And also they have a sauce that tastes like our shito in Ghana. Spicy and man, like it is what it is. The salad and everything with fried plantain. Masa, there's Ghana in Jamaica. Orokodo. Let's do this. So if today is the first time watching, can you subscribe? Tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share and subscribe. Orokodo. Say Orokodo.
Orokodo.
Yeah, so this is a chicken. Yeah, chicken breast.
Say hi.
Yeah.
All natural jerk seasoning.
Okay.
To season the chicken breast. I'm gonna put a little bit also of the all-purpose.
Okay.
Say hi, all natural, all-purpose, and it's all natural. 100% natural.
Did you sell them online?
Yes, they. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
You can also get this product.
Okay.
On eBay.
Okay.
Just put in say hi, all natural,
okay,
and you will see the product come up. So we're gonna rub it in the chicken.
Okay. Rub it on. Yeah, so give me some patois what I'm saying.
Yeah.
How do you say that? Rub it on.
Rub it on the chicken.
Rub it on the chicken. So yeah. I was right?
And give it some time.
For marinate.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
So we're going to put it down. So we have fresh coconut that we get at the market. Yeah. So we're going to use this coconut in the rice and peas.
Okay. So over here, most of the food that they prepare or the dishes, they infuse in the coconut. You know, a lot of coconuts over here in the Caribbean land or in Jamaica, and they try to make good use of it. One beneficial component that human being needs it, and these people really they use it. Rastafarians, they use it. The Jamaicans, they use it. No? So if you're a Ghanaian and you don't like coconuts, man, people are using it. Use it. So a food like this, how long does it take to prepare?
Well, a food like this can take an hour.
1 hour, okay. The blending, try to seal it. Put some pressure on it to get. So this is the milk.
Yeah, this is the milk from the coconut. So we're gonna throw the coconut milk. We're gonna add the coconut milk to the peas, and we're gonna let the coconut milk cook in the peas for at least half hour.
Okay, 30 minutes.
To make sure, the peas cook, the coconut cook
very good, okay.
and it don't hurt it.
Yeah, okay.
While the coconut milk is cooking, we add seasoning to it.
Yeah, okay.
We add scallion, thyme, garlic.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't use scallion, thyme, garlic anymore.
Okay.
I use my all-purpose, the wet
okay.
all-purpose.
Okay.
Because you can add that to soup, rice and peas, stew peas, vegetable. You know, it's just all in one.
Okay. So we're cooking this outside, and this is our fire. We have the coal pot with the coal, and
So we're gonna put the peas and the
coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
We have it outside.
Right.
Orokodo. Say Orokodo.
Orchid.
It's going on. Anything positive. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, it's orchid. It's going on. It's moving on well. Yeah.
Alright, these are the chicken breasts, right?
Yeah.
So remember we season it up already and thing.
Alright.
So we're gonna put it on a cold stove now. We're gonna cook it.
Man, you
This
see
is
they have
gonna bake it just like the oven.
Okay.
Even better than the
oven, exactly. So you see they use the bucket to make the see how the adjustments. This is 34 bucket, 34 size bucket. Yeah, we call it 34 size.
Yeah.
Okay,
So that's the coconut and the peas cooking.
Exactly.
So we're gonna add the rice to it now.
Okay.
Okay.
So rice is going to be inside the coconut milk right now with the peas. Man, this is a different kind of vibe, you know, different kind of cooking from Jamaica. Man, it's always good to learn something new. Man, I think I will adopt this kind of cooking style as well. I love outside cooking, so most of my videos I try to have the authentic local stuff, you know. You see me I say? So how do you say hello brothers, sisters in Patois?
Wagwan brother.
Wagwan brother. Only brother.
Yeah?
Brothers, sisters.
We don't really have a Patois for
For sisters, so only brothers, okay. So Wagwan brother, okay. Okay, Wagwan brother, okay.
Most of them say, hey girl, Wagwan.
Oh, okay, so Wagwan brother, hey girl, Wagwan. So it's time to add in the rice inside the coconut milk and the peas. Ital cooking, no?
Yeah. So we have to stir it.
Okay.
You can take more sauce.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make the sauce
Okay.
and I'm gonna add it to the baked chicken.
Alright.
So I have some chopped carrot, sweet pepper, and garlic.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, you can see we have the all-purpose seasoning, hot pepper sauce, jerk seasoning, and all-purpose wet seasoning.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna add the sauce to the pot.
So what's this?
Oh, this is some soya sauce.
Soya sauce, okay.
Yeah, and it have little of the jerk seasoning.
Okay.
Also in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So this is kind of special recipe being made in Jamaica, no?
Because I'm gonna add some more water to it.
Okay.
I'm gonna add some more
Sugar. Okay.
to the sauce.
Okay.
To bring out the taste.
This taste, okay.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
Cook fairly good. Okay. Just give it 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then we go outside and add it to the baked chicken.
So you pour it on top of the baked chicken.
Yes.
Wow. To prevent the rice from burning, we have this grill over here. Trying to separate the rice from burning. 10 minutes and our sauce is okay now. So we're gonna pour that on top of
the baked chicken.
The baked chicken. Voila. You see that? The flavors coming, the colors, the carrot and the sweet pepper. Ooh, easy. Avocado. Avocado, man.
So give it some time now.
For them to absorb the sauce.
Right.
Wow.
So we're gonna make vegetable.
Okay.
Right?
Like a salad kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. is okay. Not sure about the cover here. Why do you guys cut like this? You don't cut the opposite way. You see how the lady was cutting the okra in the video? Yeah. You guys don't cut like that. Why?
No, this is more comfortable.
Are you sure?
Because this way will cut you, yo.
No, not cut your hand. Yeah. Because no one does this in Ghana, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
If we're gonna do like this,
Yeah.
we have to have a board.
Yeah, board.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's okay now, right?
Just need some pineapple.
I don't have pineapple to rate. Wow.
No, I don't have it.
You don't have it, you should have had it. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's an option.
Right.
Okay. Oh, it's optional. Wow. And man, you see they have red plantain over here too.
Yep.
Yep.
Everything is in Africa is here, yo.
Yeah, tradition goes on, no?
Yeah.
Ah, you also slice like this. Ah, you make it like that. Okay.
You can do it like.
Yeah. So this kind of kiliwili kind of chopping, no? Is that parsley?
That's parsley.
Parsley?
Yeah.
Okay, so parsley leaves. Chop of it a bit.
Yeah.
Plantain is already?
Yeah, because it's not
Not
original.
natural, yeah. So it becomes brown real quick. So this is our rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Looks like waakye.
Original coast stove style.
We have a food in Ghana called waakye.
Waakye?
Waakye is similar like this.
I love to use rounded peas to make rice and peas.
Yes, so our food is ready and man, this is serving. Man, this looks like waakye. They can't tell me this is waakye.
Mine is waakye, but they call it in the next.
Man, this is waakye. You can't say anything extra. This is waakye. Man, I'm eating waakye in Jamaica. Chicken, big chicken, going like this. Wow, look at this. So this is our rice with baked peas with coconut and baked chicken with sauce. But I would say this is waakye in Jamaica. Trust me, this is waakye in Jamaica. And we garnish it a bit with salad, vegan salad. Man, this is waakye. So this is the final outcome of our rice with peas and coconut milk, baked chicken, some vegan salad over here. As I keep saying, this is waakye. This is waakye. She doesn't believe me that we have waakye in Ghana. This is waakye.
Yeah, I believe.
Yeah, I'm very curious to try this food. So as you saw, rice. Let me take a bit of the sauce. Yeah. Let me dip with the rice. It is what it is. Wow. Man, the coconut flavor. Wow.
Yeah.
Man, this is waakye la. Come on, man. This is waakye. This is really like, wow. Wow. It's too much. Too much. Wow. Sobolo over here, and here they have the authentic sobolo, and she does everything by herself. You see,
I even designed the label by myself.
And she says also the musician over here. Basically, she does everything.
I call it in a patois, jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades, meaning if you're able to do all things. Jack of all trades. See, she a jack of all trades. What I would say is that this is waakye complete, no? The only difference is that they've added coconut milk to it. We use black eyed peas to do waakye. Black eyed peas with rice, then adding the sorghum leaves. Okay, they don't add the leaves. They use rice and peas and coconut oil. Yeah, so we're done for the day. If this is your first time watching, can you subscribe? Notification bell so be notified when the video drops.
Subscribe to his channel
and check it out. Check it out also. Her link will be in the description box. Cooking with Sai, and she also sells this at what do you call it? All natural seasoning peppers and all natural hot sauce.
Hot pepper sauce.
Yeah, everything done in Nigeria, yeah. Jamaica. This is a different jerk seasoning.
Jerk seasoning. It's natural. All natural.
Yeah. Her link will be in the description box. If you click on it, it will take you to eBay and you can order online. Wherever you are, you can order online. Yeah. So thanks for watching. I'm still in Jamaica discovering. Man, this is waakye. I saw a document the other day. This is waakye. Like, it's confirmed. This is waakye. If whether she likes it or not, this is waakye. And it's just perfect. Yeah. So more videos coming. Stay tuned. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share and subscribe. One.
Blessing. One love.
One love. Peace and love.